Hello everybody, my name is Sam Morel. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, and in this episode I would like to talk about a little bit of online affiliate marketing. And basically I want to let you know that if you've been thinking about doing this as a part-time or full-time, and but you don't really know what it's all about. Online affiliate marketing is basically when you become an affiliate for somebody else's product, and then you promote this product through many channels like social media. You can use your Facebook, your YouTube channel, or you can use Twitter or Instagram, which is getting big right now, in order to promote this somebody else's product. Let me explain. In order to make money on the internet, you have to be able to sell something. You gotta sell something. It doesn't matter if it's your own product or not. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that, or internet marketing in general, is that you don't need to own your own product, but you can go ahead and become an affiliate for somebody else's product and sell them on their behalf. So as a byproduct, you're gonna earn a commission for every buying customer that you refer to this product that you are promoting, right? So the thing is that a lot of people don't know where to start. They don't even know where to get products. They don't even know how to become an affiliate for these products, and they don't know how to promote the products. So I'm gonna give you a little example. In order to get these products, you can go to places like clickbank.com, jvzoo.com. You can go there, open an account, which is free, put your information there, and then you can start promoting products. Every platform has uh, thousands of products that you can choose from. So in order to select the products you want, you gotta know the niche. You have to be in. I mean, let's say, or the niche that you like, the niche you are more knowledgeable about. So in order to promote them, let's say if you go to clickbank.com, and you like, let's say, I don't know, you like to work out, you like to exercise, and you have some knowledge about health and fitness. Then you go to the health and fitness section, and you find the products that you see are converting, that are selling a lot, let's say, and you start and get uh, the affiliate link and start to promote the product through many channels. So in this short video, I'm not gonna go through how to get products and how to promote them, because it's you can write a book about it. Actually, it's a lot of things you gotta know. It's a lot of moving pieces, you gotta learn in order to be a successful affiliate marketer. But there is a way to learn all this in a very confined way, and that's the option that I have here in my video description. You can go and check. There's a link that you can go and click and check for yourself. Where in this link you're gonna check that there is a way to learn affiliate marketing, right? And you're gonna learn it the right way. This is called affiliate business in a box, and which is basically uh, an affiliate business that you can apply for yourself and then for somebody else, you know, where you learn everything you need to learn about affiliate marketing. You learn to drive traffic to your landing page. If you don't know what a landing page, you're gonna learn there. And you're gonna learn how to build your email list, and you're gonna learn how to promote the product you want to sell, and how to get a commission for that product. Because it's not only products, we also can promote services as well, or softwares, or tools that people need out there in order to promote their business. So again, for more detailed information, just click the link below, and you're gonna find out more about what I'm telling you. You can go over the information and learn even if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing. Because again, I could go over for hours to explain to you every single moving part, but I don't really have time in this video. I decided to make it short and just to show you what is possible, right? So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, share it, let me know if you like it, and I'll see you in another episode. Have a great day and take care, man.